Hey everyone, my name is Sami and I'm a designer at USA cabinet store Alexandria showroom, and behind me is the kitchen for Josh Freeman. In this neighborhood we have beautiful homes such as this one. It's arguably either a colonial or a Victorian style, and the neighborhood is great with the view of Potomac right in front of us. So when Josh came in for the first time, he mentioned he used USA Cabinet Store before, and he wanted to get cabinets from us as he was getting into flipping homes and trying to make profit out of his renovations. So when he first came in, he let me know that this is for an investment, and I recommended some cabinetry that is appropriate for this purpose. And we also did not hold off on going with trends, which you can see behind me is beautiful blue Fabi wood cabinetry with white quartz countertops. So when Josh first came in, the kitchen was oriented very traditionally. There hasn't been a remodel for a long time, and the kitchen was very claustrophobic with walls surrounding it. So with Josh's inspiration of making the kitchen more open, he wanted to tear down walls and change few door openings. The kitchen had very traditional square tiles, and there was just really orange hardwood throughout the house, which looked outdated. When designing this kitchen, we wanted to attract buyers, as this is an investment property, and with the consideration of the beautiful surrounding neighborhood, we wanted to stay on trends and make a kitchen that is open, easy to look at, and functional. The beauty of this project is beautiful blue cabinetry that comes together flawlessly with white countertops. And as you can see, we have a full height backsplash that is the main centerpiece of this kitchen. Also, to complement it, we had designed a nice butler's pantry, and the wine cellar right behind it comes together really nice. The cabinetry we use in this kitchen is Fabi wood cabinetry. They're out of New Jersey, and the reason why we use them is they're really durable with their plywood construction, solid wood doors, drawers, and their soft close Blum mechanisms. The reason why we chose this cabinetry with Josh is because the lead time was really fast compared to other brands. Josh has used white quartz countertop that has a little bit of gold, little bit of gray, to complement the gold hardware and faucet throughout the kitchen. And the same thing continues in the butler area. We have a beautiful coffee station that accommodates Josh and his family's morning coffee needs. Right next to the sink we have a double trash bin, which makes it really easy when food prepping. As you can see in the cooktop, team had installed the cabinet a little bit forward to allow the decorative posts to be installed on each side. Next to the double oven cabinetry, we have a decorative panel that just complements the look of the kitchen from the dining area as a whole. To have a continuous, timeless design, Josh has decided to go with a full height quartz backsplash instead of tile. This prevents the existence of grout lines, which could get dirty over time. The flooring is hardwood. We've chosen a darker flooring, and this was put next to the cabinetry color before we committed to the cabinetry. This way Josh was able to visualize everything. He was able to visualize the white quartz next to the blue cabinetry, next to the gold hardware on top of the dark hardwood floors. During the design process, Josh and I had also gone over his appliance selections. Before designing cabinetry, we have to keep in mind the appliances, because when the client wants an appliance, my job as a designer is to build the cabinets around it. So with Josh's request, we have accommodated a double oven. And because we have 2 ovens, we didn't feel the need of a range, so we used a cooktop. And on top of the cooktop, he wanted a really good circulation system, which is why we used a decorative hood. While designing the island or the peninsula, we kept in mind that we wanted a drawer microwave, allowed us to have more countertop space throughout the kitchen. The biggest challenge of this kitchen was to design the island/peninsula. So because one side of the kitchen is longer than the other, and we have a little seating area in front of the windows, it was really difficult to place an island. So we have designed in our architectural software, and we looked at the different options. In the end, Josh has chosen a peninsula, which I support 100%. And it was one of our main options.
Hi, my name is Josh Friedman. I'm here in my kitchen in Alexandria, Virginia, the Wellington Heights neighborhood. And we just recently finished a renovation to the kitchen using USA Cabinets as our partner in this project. This is the second kitchen project I've actually done with USA Cabinets, and I came back to them for a second time because the first one went quite well. This project really was seamless. We used USA Cabinets for the design of the kitchen, which was really a very fluid and easy process. I'm very picky in design, and we went through probably 7, 8, 9 iterations of the kitchen design, and the USA Cabinet team was very helpful in understanding of the changes to get from start to finish on the design. When it came to ordering the cabinets, we went through a very detailed process of picking out all of the design aspects, the options on the cabinets, and also had just a really detailed accounting of everything we were ordering, which was helpful for me because I'm a very detail-oriented person. We wanted to do something in this kitchen that was a little bit more bold, and so we went with blue cabinets throughout the kitchen, which we really were happy to see that there were a number of options, in particular options that met our price point. And so we were able to look at everything from your kind of baseline builder's grade cabinets up to the very high-end cabinets and choose something that worked well for this project here. The cabinets were delivered right on time as expected. I worked with Sami at USA Cabinets, and he really just did a fantastic job with the design, all of the coordinating of the cabinet delivery, the ordering, and it was even very helpful following up with a couple small issues that we needed to fix as we changed the design. Sami was able to think very creatively and help us to finalize our design, including changing from our initial plan to have our cabinets on this part of the kitchen to function as an island. We ended up changing it to a little bit more of a U shape to the kitchen design, and Sami did a great job helping us think through that part of the project. We're really happy with how the design turned out, and we would definitely use USA Cabinets again for future projects.